G'day and welcome to my garage.
I've got 1.2 to come off the radius. That's millimetres. .8 to come off. This still should be a little bit too big, which it is. I did make it a little bit bigger. Sorry, I'd start again. I did increase the cut slightly. Let's see. Can't see that. Still got 43 thou to go. No, 0.43 millimetres. 16, 17 thou to go. So let's take 6 off. That'll be 12. You're in the way. That's a good fit. Now I know it's too long, it's only got to be 8 millimetres and it's 10. .8. I can't see these dials. I've got to do something about lighting over this lathe. Or should I say I should just move the stupid lathe to where it's supposed to go. I can't see it. I'll guess it. Okay, 7.9. Beautiful. Now I've got to part this off at about 31 millimetres. Turn it around and do the same spigot on the other side. Okay, this has been turned down to 8. That's an 8 millimetre spigot. That's now 14. I've put a mark in with the cut-off tool, and I need another 8. Might go a little bit further. So I said it was 8. Yeah, 8. I'll just go a couple of, about 10 thou more. About half a blade. Oh, hang on. Measuring from the wrong side. That's 10 thou. 10 mil. I would slow this down, but I can't open the belt drive transmission. This material goes all the way through the headstock out the other end. As you can see there. So I can't open that up to change my spindle speed. And I didn't like the way that was chattering, so I think I'll take it out, hit it with the angle grinder, and then put the stub back in and machine it off. I've turned it around. I'm just bringing this second side down to size. I've got another 0.15. We'll sneak up on this, eh? Okay, that'll do it. I was making the second hinge pin for the machine clamp, and thought, well, I was getting some problems with the, well, not some problems, is that the right word? The carriage clamp wasn't holding all the best, and the lever was hitting up against the carriage. Anyhow, it wasn't holding it, so I thought I'll see what I can do about adjusting it. So okay, it's back in business. What have we got? 8.4, no, 8.43. Yep, 8.43, so 0.43, 0.21 and a half. Oh, that's a beautiful fit. We just face off that shoulder and clean up the sharp edges. We're right. But you'll have to get out of the way. What have we got? 9.5, 9.84. This should be 14, 13.9, it's close enough. I'll just polish this up a little bit. And that looks good. That's two of those. And a good fit it is too.